calculate everything here. So a total of $120.68, sir. With everything already.
$120.68 what? That's what is deducted, what I owe. Help me out here.
What you owe, sir, that you need to pay for cable, internet, and phone.
Okay, for the past 5 weeks, so that will bring me up to date square with y'all.
Yes, sir, that's right.
That is what
We
to.
also will be receiving the credit after a week, which is on July the 14th.
Sir, I asked you 2 questions and you said yes, that is correct. Are you saying yes, that is correct to the first question or the second question?
The first question, sir, the amount that you owe us for the last 5 weeks.
Okay. What is my total bill right now? Can you tell me that?
Yeah, I could tell you that one, sir. The total bill of yours is $292.83.
$292.83. So it's not.
Yes.
So it's not $120.68. It's $292.83.
Yes, that's the total balance.
Okay. Is that with the $74.09 subtracted from it?
No.
All right. So subtract the $74.09 and then tell me what it is.
Okay. It would be $218.74, sir.
All right. And now the $120.68. What is that?
That's the calculation of the 5 weeks that you have mentioned that you're out of internet, and I just added the phone and internet. I mean, the phone and cable charges. That's what I got here, $120.68.
Let's say. So, in order to pay you everything that I owe you, tell me what I need to write the check for.
Upon checking here, since you're already 2 months past due, you could just pay $120.68, sir, and you're already up to date.
How can I pay you $120.68 if you're telling me that I owe you $218.74? Do you understand that those are 2 separate numbers?
Yes, sir, I do really understand you now.
Well, then what do I owe you? Do I owe you $218.74 or do I owe you $120.68? It can't be both. It has to be one or the other.
Okay, just give me a minute, sir. Let me just calculate this one for you again.
Just so you know, you are being recorded. I think I have to tell you that by state law.
Yeah, I understand, sir. And also, we are also recorded here in our end. Right, so if you're asking how much you'll be paying or writing a check, it would be for a total of $146.41, sir.
That is a completely
total balance.
That is a completely different number of any of the last 3 numbers you've told me. So tell me that number again.
It's $146.41.
$146.41. Now tell me how you came up with that number.
I just divided by 2 the $292.83, sir. Which is, again, you already owe us 2 months. That's why I just divided for 2 so that you could write a check in order for you to pay the minimum balance.
I'm not asking to pay the minimum balance. I'm asking to pay what I owe you. You have told me $298.83. You've told me $218.74. You've told me $120.68. And you've told me $146.41. Somewhere in the middle of those 4 numbers is the correct number. That's what I'm trying to find out from you. What do I owe Spectrum so I can write you a check? It can't be all 4 numbers. It has to be something.
If you're really asking how much you will be paying for your check, you could just, again, pay the $112.05. That's the total past due that you owe us.
See, that's the 5th number you've given me. You've told me 5 different numbers now.
Sir, because you're asking how much you will be paying in order for you to write a check, and I just provided you the amount.
Which amount? Which of the 5 numbers do I owe
The
you?
total past due, sir, is $112.05.
I'm not asking what's past due. I'm asking how much do I need to pay you for everything that I owe you? Can you understand that question? If not, I'll try to repeat it slower.
Yes, sir. I do really understand that one because, yeah, it's really $112.05, sir.
Yeah, if I pay you $112.05, we're paid up. Okay, where did
Already up to date.
Well, where did you come up with the figure of 218.74, 146.41, 120.68, and $298.83? What were those figures?
I just calculated that one here in my answer.
You calculated what in your answer? You can't randomly come up with 4 different numbers.
Yeah, I calculated it. The $120.68. I came up with that one with a calculation of the 3 weeks that you don't have internet, or the 3/4 of that you don't have internet, and added the cable service and the phone part. That's why I came up for $146.41. And the other numbers are just miscalculated.
All right. I have a bill in front of me that says I owe like $300 and some dollars. You're telling me that if I write you $112.05, that I am paid up to date and I owe nothing more.
Yes, sir.
All right.
That's what I could see here.
All right. Is that with the $74.09 deduction or without the $74.09 deduction?
With the the $74.09 deduction already, sir.
All right. So $112.05, and I owe you nothing more as of today at the time we're speaking, correct?
Yes, sir. That's right.
All right.
After you pay this one.
All right. And just to verify, the $298.83 was just a random number you came up with. $218.74 is a random number. $146.41 is a random number. $120.68 is a random number, but the number that you're providing is $112.05. Does that sound about right?
Yes, sir. That's right.
All right. Repeat back to me your extension number so I can verify it.
It would be 260-5226.
And a phone number to reach you?
It would be 877-566-4892.
What is your name?
John, sir.
How do you spell your last name? S-U-R?
John. We just allowed to provide our first name, sir.
So you're not allowed to have email. You're not allowed to have a last name.
Yes, sir, because we are a billing customer representative. That's why we're not allowed to provide any of our last name or our emails. And as well, we don't have cell phones inside our workplace.
All right. Are you sending me an updated bill?
You'll be receiving that one, sir, on the 14th, which has already the credit of $74.09.
All right. And what will it show as the total amount due?
It's the amount that I have told you, the $292.83.
Sir, you just told me it was $112.05, and now you're going back to $292.83.
I know. Sir, $112.05.
Well, which is it?
I'm sorry. $112.05, sir. I'm sorry.
All right. Stay there. I'm going to call this extension number and make sure it rings to you and you're not lying to me, and then I'll let you go, okay?